Hi guys, in this video, we will explain about the design of particulate processing system. We choose pearl barley as our particles that needs to be dried. Enjoy the video. This is the process where the particles enter the hopper then transport to the fluidized bed dryer by using pneumatic transport system. During fluidization process, fluidized bed will dry the particles and segregate it according to the particle sizes. This process uses pearl barley as the particles, gas as the transport system with the help of a blower. Now, this is the constant values for the viscosity of gas, mean size particles, gravitational force, and the density of the fluids, which is gas, density of particles, and the density of bulk. Now we move to the hopper design. What is hopper? Hopper is converging sloping wall section attached to the bottom of silo which serves as a storage container for the particles. This is the procedure how to design the hopper. Firstly, we got the data of powder flow function of particles from a journal. Second, we find the value of hopper flow factor. Third, we plot a graph of unconfined stress versus compacting stress. Next, the critical value of stress is determined by the intersection between the powder flow function and the linear equations. Lastly, we calculate the value of conical outlets followed by the minimum value of outlet diameter of the hopper silo. This is the summary for the hopper design. The conical outlet is 2.2667 and the minimum hopper outlet diameter is 0.68 meter. This is the design of hopper and silo. The particles enter the system with the mass of 599.12 kg per second. The particles, which is the barley, flows into the silo and to the hopper.
Now I will continue with pneumatic transport system. What is pneumatic system? Pneumatic system is used to transport the particle from hopper to fluidized bed dryer through a pipeline. This is nominal dimension of pipe based on ASTM. The selected diameter of pipe is 0.754 meter and the material of construction is stainless steel. This is all the formula involved in the calculation of pressure drop through the pipeline. We need to sum up all the pressure drop at the bend, horizontal and vertical section. This is the summary for our pipeline design. The total pressure drop across the pipeline is 51.84 bar. Next is the comparison between the length of the pipe and the total pressure drop across the pipe. We calculate the different vertical and horizontal length to compare the total pressure drop across the pipe. The VR positive pressure package unit is the compressor that can be used in the system. In conclusion, the particle can be transported by using heated gas and with the help of compressor through the pipe. The length for the horizontal pipe is 33 meter while the length for vertical pipe is 10 meter with 2 bends.
Fluidized bed. What is fluidized bed? Fluidized bed is formed by passing a fluid upwards through a bed of particles supported on distributed. The particles are then need to be dried in this fluidized bed by using the heated gas before segregate it. To make sure the process is fluidized, know the minimum fluidization velocity (UMF). How to calculate UMF? First, if dB less than 100 μm, use Bayes and Gilded correlation. Second, if dB is greater than 100 μm, use Wen and Yu correlation. To make sure the particles segregate from the fluidized bed, superficial gas velocity must be greater than terminal velocity. The methods and formula for terminal velocity as stated. The terminal velocity is 0.02531 meter per second and the suggested superficial gas velocity is 0.04 meter per second. The recommendation to ensure superficial gas velocity is greater than terminal velocity. First, apply the vibrator to the fluidized bed as to have the particles are entering. Second, apply more than one cyclone to improve separation efficiency. These are the zones in fluidized bed. How to design the fluidized bed? First, calculate the transport disengagement height. The formula of transport disengagement height as stated, and the value is 7.5 meter. Therefore, the height of bed is greater than 7.5 meter. Assume the total height of fluidized bed is 10 meter and the volume of fluidized bed is 35 meter cube. The fluidized bed is cylinder and the diameter is 2.11 meter. The pressure drop across fluidized bed. The mass of particles, the voidage are calculated, and the pressure drop is 0.36 bar. The rate of entrainment. The formula as stated. To find illustration rate constant, first, use this formula, or second, use this formula. Since the comparison value is less than 3 times 10 to the power of negative 4, therefore, the illustration rate constant is 0.0006798 and the rate of entrainment is 0.000333.